Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Dimmable B color LED video light by Dazzne. 3200 until 5600 Kelvin for DSLR cameras. It is a studio photography light. For me, it will be a YouTube light for my videos recording, because it is so much better to make a video with a good light condition than without light. Only the light on my video recording unit is not enough to make awesome videos like this. It is dimmable. That means the color temperature you can choose in a range of 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. This can be easily adjusted by two buttons of the panel. On the panel, you have on the back side of this device, you have a LCD display. And there are three or four buttons: up, down, M, and power. Power is to switch it on and off. Then you can choose the setup with the M button. That is how much light will come out, and of course the color. This is the second option. And then you can adjust it by plus and minus button. It is a universal model. Compatibility is with all DSLR or digital video cams. With standard tripod thread, this is for me. Tripods and light tripods with hot shoe mount or 1/4 inches thread. And this I am going to use for it. I will use it on a tripod, and the tripod is good for outdoor, for indoor, for setup, everything I like to do with tripods. The brightness can be adjusted from 1% to 100%. For this, using the button to increase and decrease the brightness of the LED video light. The video light is made of high quality aluminum alloy with simple, elegant appearance. And it has a good feeling if you have it in your hand, and the size is like a smartphone. Awesome. It is small but powerful. In the set is the LED video light, one USB Type-C, USB charging cable, one hot shoe screw, and one protective bag. This is all what you get, and this is all what you are going to need for this thing, what you're going to use it. It makes light, but it makes a good light, really good light. It is a nice, powerful light, and the dimensions are 76 millimeters to 136 millimeters, and it is 10 millimeter thin. This is nice. It is compact. The OLED display screen with as simple and accurate turntable operation. You can see on your LCD screen or on your OLED screen, on the left side above is the remaining time of electricity inside the battery. On the right side, on the upper side, this is a power display. The two setups are the brightness adjustment level. This is the icon with the light, and the three circles are for the color temperature adjustment. Then you can see on the right side the yellow thing is the current brightness level in percent. and on the bottom side you can see the current color temperature. And this is all information you will need to make awesome videos or awesome pictures, of course. Because it's dimmable, B color, 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. This is a wide range of color temperature, and it's enough to make awesome things. Built in is a 4000 milliampere hour large capacity battery, and use it as a charging power bank to charge your phone anytime, anywhere. This is the second thing what you can do it. You have for this an USB female to USB male cable, plus the opposite side, and USB male to a USB male thing what you're going to dock into your phone, for example. It is a Type C USB charging cable, and of course a dedicated output line cable. Yeah, there it is. Nice thing, easy to use, and it makes a good color in the temperature and in the brightness level. So this is my second LED photography video light, and I must say the first LED light I'm using now is awesome too, but now I can make a better set for it, because now I can make 2 spots of LED powered light into my spot, and that means all over my area where I'm going to make a video is in a good light condition. Oh yeah, nice OLED screen, nice color, nice brightness level, nice. I like it really much. LED video unit. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.